Decision Plus has been and still is a leading stock market service provider. From training to coaching, we cover it all. Try both our software as well as our coaching site, completely free for 10 days without obligation. No credit card is needed to sign up for the trial. The trial subscription will be automatically canceled for you at the end. DecisionPlus.com, your stock market service center. Real-time coaching has been created. We search and classify critical reports and technical movements. You can visualize or hear the best buying and selling opportunities. Get real-time advice all day long and 3 live coaching shows per day. Let us do the work and save your time for trading. Try MarketGurus.tv free without obligation for 10 days in the menus above. Market Vision Plus is the trading companion of so many investors. Make your fundamental and technical analysis easy with Canada's #1 stock market decision-making software. Research, decide, and follow your positions with Market Vision Plus. See the menus just above this program and try Market Vision Plus for 10 days without any obligation after the show. When it comes to day trading, Trader Plus is the right tool. Track 50 quotes simultaneously. Create dozens of quick lists. Display as many as 30 real-time intraday charts at the same time. Watch the action with candlesticks or bar charts as fast as 10 seconds. See the market by sectors. Use the chart models already prepared for you. Try Trader Plus for 10 days in the menu above without any obligation.
Bonjour. Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to the Swing Trading Show, August 10, 2016. The market was not very volatile for a couple of days, very stable, and right now it's taking the other side. Right now, it's more correction seems to be coming. The US dollar is going down today, and every bullish cycle has been interrupted. So we see it here. First of all, the Nikkei began a correction in overbought situation. The China market is going sideways too, and it's overbought there too. It should come down, and it's the end of the bullish cycle for the London market, and it is going very much sideways right now on the SPY, and even coming back down. So we're almost at the reversal here. Actually, it's been done before, and as soon as it goes down again, we will be entering a bearish cycle. And on the Nasdaq market, that's what happened about half an hour ago. And right now, as soon as we see the movement, it's minus 20, like minus 22, 25. It's going to be confirmed for a new bearish cycle, and the Dow Jones as well. So the movement started, but it came back a little bit. But we still have some pressure, especially on many sectors on the TSX. We're on the bottom of the day and still putting some pressure there. So the bullish momentum is totally died so far. There are a few stocks that still goes up, but in most of the sector are sideways right now. But the gold sector almost broke out this morning, but the movement did not continue. So then where is my stuff? Okay, right here. So there's no international news today. There's a few financial results, not all very interesting. Let me check the most interesting one. GD.com started on the upside this morning and came back for half of its movement. They had minus 15, they announced 29. And then this one here, Yiranda, is going up, and because of its financial result, but it's a result, and it started yesterday from the result is 24 to 34, 10% increase in the sales. Arrowhead is going down minus 36 to minus 32. Walt Disney 161, 162. Stock goes up for 1 cent. Yelp 15 to 16. For some reason, Yelp is breaking out very strongly on 1 cent better. Tahoe 14 to 19. It's a nice movement too. And Alamos is going down 0 to minus 1. And First Majestic 5 cents to 4 cents. And the stocks remain very strong. And Son of Data 17 cents to 5 cents. The stock doesn't know where to go. And Cargill minus 20 to minus 37. Other news are not very important. Let's see, Valiant here. The Valiant has offered its creditor a higher interest rate. That's what they say. And that's probably why the stock went up yesterday, but today it's not maintaining. And Argex Titan has interrupted its activity on its R&D center in Valleyfield, but they are back on track. They have renovated many things, and it seems like they're ready to go again. But the stock has suffered a lot. It's now 8 cents, beginning a new uptrend. Okay, let's check out the technical aspect right now. So you remember yesterday, not yesterday, but that was next week in your case. But yesterday, the United States Oil Fund, which is the crude oil, went sideways, and now the crude oil began a new bearish cycle, while the gas still goes down, but the energy stock remains at their top. So sooner or later, if the gas and the oil keeps going down, they will certainly bring the stock back to. But it's amazing to see how the market is holding on their position. As you see, the gas goes down, the crude oil goes down, but the stock remains on the upside. For the gold pushed up this morning and finally came back, and the stock did the same thing but never broke out. Actually, two stocks were on the move recently, like yesterday and today, but most of the other, I'd say 90% of the stock remained at their resistance level without breaking it. So we did not have really the call yet for a new buy on the sector. Sandstorm was breaking out yesterday, and the stock is continuing, and there was new gold too that was breaking out also this morning. They're the only two stocks to provide a recent buy signal. The mining was up this morning at the double resistance here. It seems to be a nice movement, but I think we are missing a little bit there. It's not a sell signal or anything. It's still a hold on it, but for a buy, I would wait until it breaks this double resistance much stronger. So far, Tahoe, it's its financial result that did it. And for the rest, all of the sector, end of the bullish cycle for consumer discretionary. Same thing for telecom. Same thing for financials, which has done the same thing as yesterday, but on the in the downward direction. And industrials is almost beginning a new bearish cycle, so everything is neutral. And the real estate, we explained yesterday on the French show that the whole sector seems to be ready for a downside, and also the utilities. So just the staples are were beginning a movement yesterday. There is no continuity today, and the technology is coming back too. So the bullish momentum of the last 4 or 5 days is totally dying right now. So we're in between two cycles, and I think it's a bearish cycle that suspends under our nose right now. So I think that's that's where the market's got to go so far. Actually, this increase happened on we don't know what so far. So this is the market situation. I have a question here. How is LLG? Mason Graphite. So Mason Graphite was breaking out yesterday, continuing today. This movement on a heavier volume. Let's see. Oh, the volume is not bad actually. So it's not a buy today. It was a buy yesterday. Now that has reached the resistance, and since the stock after going up this morning is coming down now, so today's cycle came back. So right now it's not a buy, and it would probably continue on the sideways. Whenever it breaks out 132, 133, $1.33, it would be a buy. Is HVU a buy? But HVU moved because of the SPY, and I think if the SPY accelerates and the HVU passes 515, like at 512, 515, could be a good buy.
Find answers to your questions by emailing your host at btm@decisionplus.com.
5 good reasons to manage your investments with National Bank Direct Brokerage. Commission fees fixed at $9.95 anytime for all clients and starting at only $6.95 for active investors. No administrative fees if you hold at least $20,000 in your accounts. Registered accounts available in U.S. currency. Powerful tools to help you manage your portfolio. Award-winning customer service and satisfaction levels amongst the highest in the industry. To learn more, visit nbdb.ca or call us now.
Real-time coaching has been created. We search and classify critical reports and technical movements. You can visualize or hear the best buying and selling opportunities. Get real-time advice all day long and 3 live coaching shows per day. Let us do the work and save your time for trading. Try marketgurus.tv free without obligation for 10 days in the menus above.
Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. AQN here. Algonquin Power and Utilities. 1244. Should I keep if med long term? It met long term, too long term. Look, the trend is an uptrend. On a long run, the stock is kept going all the way since 2013 and middle 2013. If you're but you just bought it 1244, so you bought it right there. So you said, should I keep it medium to long term? But I'm not into the medium and long term stuff here, and but I'm not really sure about it. You know, how could I tell you, hold it to medium and long term? It depends what the stock will do. If the stock comes back here, go sideways and then go this way. If we enter a stronger market correction over the next few weeks, should we keep it or not? I'm into the short term, and at 11.50 there's a short term sell here. And then Stornoway. Oh, that's it. I like that stuff. Stornoway Diamond. The stock is breaking out today. It was its earning yesterday night and this morning, and they said that the Renard project goes well, and their financials are as they were saying. So they didn't have much to report yet. So, but it's been well interpreted by the market. I couldn't say this is a technical buy because we went back and forth a couple of times here, and I don't think on the short term the stock will continue. And the next buy signal would be like 120. Oh, the two questions are the same questions. Is it a good entry? I'd prefer enter in 120, at 120. So this is it for the questions we had this morning. And look at the TSX plunging at the moment. The Dow, the SPY also follows the movement, and the Nasdaq could. You know, after the market failed, we had a little rebound, but it did not hold. Look at this. And if it keeps going down, we are right now under an acceleration intraday-wise. And who's responsible for that? I'd say many of them. Staples, financials, industrials, telecom, technology, consumer discretionary, crude oil. So everything seems to be coming back right now. Even the gold right now. It's not very heavy. It's minus 43 on the TSX, minus 31 on the Dow, minus 18 on the Nasdaq market. So it's just showing some weakness, and we're not into bear market. It's just the last bull market signal failed, and as it would continue down here, it becomes a negative trend on the Dow. So, you know, if I had to think of what's going to happen, I'd say that before the end of the week that we should come back to the support we were on beginning of August, right here for the Nasdaq, there for the Dow Jones, there for the SPY, and I'm not sure about the TSX, but it may too. You know. We haven't got any information that did justify the increases. Remember, the gold stock had been stronger than the gold. The oil stock are much stronger than the oil and the gas itself. And the mining has been doing a little upward move over the last few days. So that really helps the Canadian market. But for the rest, now everything is neutral. So what we can see right now, end of the bullish cycle most everywhere, and you know, and I think we're good for a little bit more correction on that market. Thanks very much for being here with us today. See you next time.